So here we are at ITB with Mr. Lohani, and he is the Chief of Tourism for Madhya Pradesh. And we're here to find out more about the region. Mr. Lohani, can you tell us, 2015 is a big year, but also 2016 too. Can you tell us more about what your plans are?
The next 1 year, beginning from now till May 2016, is extremely crucial for Madhya Pradesh. This year we have declared as the Madhya Pradesh Tourism Year, where we'll have a large number of events, promotions, innovations, new destinations, and the works. And next year we have this the Kumbh of Ujjain, the largest congregation in India, largest spiritual congregation in India. It will happen at Ujjain, beginning 22nd of April next year till 21st of May next year. And that we want to showcase around the world because it's a spiritual event, it's a big congregation, and it's happening in the city of Ujjain. Ujjain is known to be an ancient city. It's known to be a city of temples. It's a city of spirituality, a city of time. We have Mahakal there. Kal means time in Hindi. The city of time. That is one of our focus areas. But apart from that, if I tell you about MP, we call MP the heart of India. Why the heart? It's almost in the center. We have a beautiful landscape, moderate climate, the people are simple, the cleanliness levels are much higher. As a state, it has very good law and order and crime situation. And the variety and the richness of the tourism destinations is unmatched. We basically say you come and experience the essence of India in one state. You don't have to go all around to experience India. Just come to MP, we give you India on a platter.
Wow.
We have extremely rich heritage, religious tourism destinations. We've got Buddhist tourist destinations are there. We've got the biggest mosque in Asia is there. We have two very good hill stations, Amarkantak and Panchmani. The only pristine hill station in the country is Panchmani.
So let me get this straight. You got the biggest mosque in Asia.
Yeah.
Wow. So everyone's talking about 2015 being the year of spirituality for India. This is obviously going to be a big draw for people as well.
And it's a place for wildlife. We have 4 national parks: Kanha, Bandhavgarh, Pech and Panna, where you will definitely bump into a tiger. We almost guarantee you a tiger sighting because the tiger density is the highest in Bandhavgarh. We've got a number of other national parks also, and we've got beautiful leisure tourism destinations like Bhopal. Come to Bhopal, it's a beautiful city of lakes, city built on a number of hills. So basically, MP gives you a complete package. Experience the essence of India. Experience the essence of incredible India in the heart of India, Madhya Pradesh.
So we hear that the Madhya Pradesh is a region that has a very strong vision for its tourism. Why do you think a big vision is important for developing commercial interest in the future?
See, Madhya Pradesh is a very highly progressive state and presently led by a very, very progressive man. Our Chief Minister is extremely progressive, extremely focused, extremely committed. And he heads a government which doesn't believe much in procrastination but believes in delivery. And tourism is at the focus of this government. They know, yes, insofar as richness and diversity of tourism destinations is concerned, MP is the best. But again, tourism is all about image perception. How outsiders perceive us. That is one aspect which we are handling. Our tourist infrastructure has to be good. The roads have to be good. The tourist destinations have to be good. We have to have good facilitation centers. We look after security. All these aspects the government is handling. In fact, even running the tourism corporation hotels, they are government-owned hotels at par with the private sector. So that really shows the intention of any government if it is serious about tourism. Well, the government has a vision of being the best state in India insofar as tourism is concerned. The government has a vision of running one of the finest hospitality corporates in the country in the form of its tourism corporation. The government has a vision of getting in the private sector in a very large way, in building hotels, resorts, convention centers, entertainment parks, looking at a 360 degrees view of tourism development and promotion for Madhya Pradesh.
So with regards to developing your reputation, what would be the big challenges that you face in terms of putting your region on the map? Are there any particular challenges you foresee?
I don't really see any big challenge as such, but definitely it requires a lot of hard work, capability to work hard, and commitment, which we have in plenty, which the government has in plenty. We'll be able to achieve what we want. And this year, I also want to tell you, this year we are going to have a very major event called the Madhya Pradesh Travel Mart on the 16th, 17th and 18th of October. This year, already launched it at ITB.
Wow. Mr. Lohani, thank you very much for giving us an insight into your magnificent area. Good luck for ITB and also for the next couple of years, and we will catch up with you, I hope, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.